Hello! Today I'm excited because we are back to cooking and we are going to be cooking this. Chicken liver is considered old-fashioned or uncool kind of food, and maybe it's not favored by the cool kids of today. However, liver is tasty. It's got an amazing texture when cooked properly, when it's not overcooked, I mean. There's a million dishes you can do with it. I will show you like the very basics of preparation of chicken liver today. And I was asking myself as I was thinking about making this episode, what is it that makes me like chicken liver, and why is it unpopular? I mean, the packet of liver that I bought today, I paid £2 for it in Sainsbury's. It's brilliant, and that is 2 portions for 1 person. In Britain today it is not considered a traditional food, although in other cultures they eat it all the time. In the Far East they eat it. You will find a bunch of recipes in German on YouTube. I've seen a few very popular American videos, although I must say I think it's, judging by the accent, it's Eastern European chefs who are cooking it. You know, I'm gonna give you a very basic recipe, but you can do loads with it. You can do deviled chicken liver, you can add garlic and chili oil, maybe some soy sauce, you can make it into pate, you can flambe it in brandy. It pairs really nicely with bacon, you can cook it with rosemary and thyme. It goes really well with peppercorn sauce. But yeah, when I ask myself why is it so unpopular, it reminds me of Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. Let's watch this bit together.
Bertie, what's every flavour beans?
They mean every flavour. There's chocolate and peppermint, and there's also spinach, liver and tripe.
So why is it unpopular? I keep asking myself the same question. Maybe you can try it, and maybe together we can change it. Maybe we can change this. Alright, let's cook.